Hello everyone, today I'll be looking at why static electricity causes objects of unlike charge to attract each other and why this concept is true. To prove this concept true, we will need some materials before we start off. We will need a balloon, your hair, a thin stream of water like this one. We are now ready to begin. So here I have my balloon, and if I rub it against my head, and then take it away, as you can see, when I take the balloon away from my hair, the hair is attracted to the balloon. And the reason for this is because when I was rubbing the balloon against my hair, the balloon took on a negative charge and the hair took on a positive charge. And the reason for this is because the rubber latex that makes up the balloon has a very high electron affinity, which means that it's going to be more susceptible to gaining electrons. And the hair particles, they're going to be less susceptible to gaining electrons, and they're going to want to give away their electrons because they have a low electron affinity. And due to this, the balloon is going to gain electrons, and it's therefore going to become negative, and the hair is going to lose electrons, and it's going to become positive. So with these opposite charges, they're going to attract each other, and that proves how static electricity causes objects of unlike charge to attract each other. So here I'm going to show another example of how static electricity can cause objects of unlike charge to attract each other. So I'm going to positively charge this balloon by rubbing it against my hair. And then I'm going to come over to this faucet. I'm going to just let out a thin stream. The reason why the negatively charged balloon was able to pull the thin stream of water which has no charge is because water molecules are polar, which means that one end is slightly negative and one end is slightly positive. So when I put the negatively charged balloon near the water molecules, it caused an attraction between the slightly positive end of the water molecule, which made the water stream be attracted towards the balloon. This visual shows how before you rub a balloon against a piece of cloth or, say, your hair, each object has the same neutral charge, but after rubbing, you can see how the balloon has taken on the negative charge and how the piece of cloth or hair has taken on the positive charge, which allows for that attraction. I hope you guys learned about static electricity today, and I hope you enjoyed the video.